Hey, it's Mitchell. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more people to reply back to you when you try and sell them something in business. And I'm going to teach you the important things to know about doing this so you can see better results. So stick around the end of the video to find out how you can get more replies in business. So to start, you can use this in both business to business and business to consumer. The principles here apply to both. No matter what it is you send, there needs to be a reason why somebody wants to reply back to you. And that's typically going to come from the benefits that they're going to be getting from the product you're trying to sell them. So let me give you two examples of what I mean by this. One for business to business and then one for business to consumer. So first one would be if someone left a product in their cart, right? This would be an abandoned cart sequence, but you could say something such as this. Hey bud, saw you went to check out this awesome product, but it looks like something went wrong. It's the internet, these things happen, I don't know. Product X is pretty sweet. I'll start showing you how to produce cash on demand with as little as 5 days with the amount of money grabbing assets that you can build for your business that people actually want. I'm so excited for you. If you're still trying to pick this up, reply back to this email letting me know and I'll get you squared away. So that would be example one. Now let's talk about example two. If you're sending a business to business email, typically these sales happen over the phone or on Zoom. So here's how I used to do this when I used to pitch advertising services. So this is from personal experience. And I would say something like this. Hey Lauren, filmed you a pretty quick video showing you how to sell this exact product. And you would just list the product right here. What's even cooler is you can use this for all of your other products too. So whenever you feel like selling something different that people actually want, now you know exactly how to do it. Hey, reply back to me and let me know what you think. And then at the end of the video that I would make them, because I would typically film videos, I would make my pitch at the end of it, and you'll get people that watch these videos 2, 3, 4 times because they liked it enough. And then in that case, I'd get a reply saying, let's talk, or you would get a reply that says something like, hey, this is great, thank you much for sending it, but now it's not really a good time, or whatever people want to say that kind of like brushes off your pitch. That just means you have to follow up. Regardless, I got a positive response. Every single time I've sent something like this, and I've been doing this for years now, I have never once had somebody tell me to go kick rocks. Or if you've ever been in Facebook groups before, you would know that people get told a lot worse things based on what they're saying. Now, it's important to note that no matter what you're doing, if you're trying to get a reply from somebody, you need to specifically tell them to reply back to you. You need to make it very clear that you want to reply so they're not confused on what to do. And make sure that you always include a reason or a few reasons why they would benefit from replying back to you. And that's typically going to come from whatever it is that you're trying to offer them. You know, in business to business, it would be normally make more money. So if you found this video helpful and you're looking at ways to increase sales in business, I'm offering to help teach you the 7 fastest cash producing copywriting secrets known to man. All I ask for is your first name and your email, because I'm running a test to see if I can give away ridiculously helpful information at a steal to you. You won't have a problem giving me your name and your email. You can find the link in the description if you want to learn how to write better copy. With that being said, thank you for watching the video. See you next time.